My name is Mickey and I'm going to attempt to learn how to play the guitar. Hopefully you'll come along with me. In this video we will have a look at scales, in particularly the C major scale. Before we start, I'm sure that you're wondering what a scale is. Basically put, guitar scales are organised sequences of notes played in an ascending or descending order to help you build finger strength and dexterity. And very basically put, a scale is a set of notes that sound good together. Learning scales is essential for your development as a guitar player. The first step in learning music faster with the guitar is the knowledge of scales. I'm hoping to upload a video with a different scale every Thursday. As I said, we're going to start off by learning the C major scale. This is a series of 8 notes and go like this. We start off the second string down, 3rd fret, moving down one string, open, same string, 2nd fret, moving up 1 fret, down a string, open, 2nd fret, down a string, open, and behind the 1st fret. Again slowly, 2nd string down, 3rd fret, 3rd string down, open, 3rd string down, 2nd, 3rd string down, 3rd, 4th string down, open, 4th string down, 2nd fret, 5th string down, open, 5th string down, 1st fret. So go through that slowly. Again. Get a little bit faster. Keep practicing that till you can, you get very fluid at it. When you're feeling confident going down the fretboard, we can start working our way back up. So where we left off, 1st fret, 2nd string up, open, 3rd string up, 2nd fret, open, 4th string up, 3rd fret, 2nd, and finally back to where we started, 2nd string from top, 3rd fret in. Going through it slowly. So now attempt to put it all together by going down and coming back up. Nice and slowly. Getting cocky there. Basically, just keep practicing and we'll all get better. So that's it for this video. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to like, subscribe, make comments, whatever. See you all soon. Hey Michelle!